Hi, this Topical talk's gonna show you how to fix low memory warning Roblox error code 292. So if you're getting this error, follow these easy steps to fix it. If you're facing this error, it may be the reason of your computer storage or your phone storage is almost full. So first solution is we need to free up your computer or phone storage. So click on this search icon and type here File Manager, open File Explorer, and here if you see your drive is almost full. Now let's see how to free up storage. The first solution is open your recycle bin, and now you have to empty your recycle bin. So right click anywhere and click on empty recycle bin, click on yes. And the second solution is click on the search icon and search for add or remove and open add or remove program settings. And here all you have to uninstall unwanted apps and games from your computer to make free up your computer. So this is how free up your computer storage, and then check the issue. And if you're still getting the same error, then you have to uninstall Roblox and you have to reinstall it. To uninstall Roblox, again click on the search icon and type here Roblox. Right click on Roblox player, click on uninstall. Once it's uninstalled, download Roblox installer and reinstall it. And hope this solution will fix the issue. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.